model of underground sewage water treatment plant. In this, first the sewage is collected from the houses and the societies and then transferred to our first tank, which is the receiving tank. This is our receiving tank. From this receiving tank, the sewage is then supplied to our next tank, which is the primary sedimentation tank. In this tank, the high density particles and the heavy particles are settled down because of the force of gravity. And as we know, there's some kitchen waste which are very light and float on the water. We separate it by the use of net. And then now our sewage is transferred to our next tank, which is the secondary sedimentation tank. In this tank, the some density lower particles are settled down due to the high force of gravity comparing this tank, and then our water is now transferring to our next tank, which is the precipitation tank.
It is a precipitation tank. In this tank, because of the force of gravity, the particles settle down to the bottom surface, and the water becomes clean from any physical quantities. Now it has to be treated chemically. Then it is moved to the next tank, which is known as aeration tank. In this, ozone and oxygen is mixed with the water, and it kills the bacteria. And after that, it is passed to the next tank, which is known as chlorination tank. We know that chlorine has the ability to kill the germs and bacteria. And after that, after the process of chlorination, it is supplied to the overhead tanks of the society or any city, and from the overhead tanks it is supplied to all the houses and buildings, and this cycle is continued till the need is not met. Thank you.